Hey everyone, it's your instructor here for Library 101. Today we are going to speak on the powers of using keywords and its overall beneficial benefits when it comes to researching by applying keywords. So for this segment, we are going to go over a few things. What you'll get out of this video is knowing how to use keywords and pull them out from your research question and which words are going to be best utilized. Also, how to apply different searching techniques. As you know, in this unit, we go over quite a bit of different searching techniques, from nesting to Boolean operations to just plugging in a specific word and using that in our databases. So, where to begin? For example, this is a research question, and it is, should college athletes take part in paid sponsorships like professional athletes? This is just a great example of what a research topic could be for. Maybe it's a persuasive essay, or it is a persuasive speech. What you could do is pull apart these key ideas from this topic, and we would be applying that to our database. So I went ahead and showed you here that some keywords that we can pull out are college, athletes, paid, sponsorship, and professional. These were just a couple of things that came to mind when we analyzed and depicted this research question. So now that we have a couple of keywords, what are we going to do? What's the next step? Do we just plug them right into the databases, or is there something else that we could do? And I want to let you know that before we can actually jump and dive into our database and do our searches, it's time to kind of think of other words and get really creative on additional terms that are that mean about the same, or that have similar meaning to these words that we just depicted. So let's go ahead and get our creative juices flowing, trying to find out other words, like I had mentioned, that associate with the original keywords that we had pulled out from our research topic question. Some other additional key terms would be student athletes, sponsoring, college sports, university students, and the National Collegiate Athletic Association, or also known as the NCAA, which is the overall organization that takes part of organizing college sports. It's kind of like the NFL, but on a smaller scale, specifically for college athletes. Another thing that we can pull out is student salaries / wages and profit. So now that we have additional keywords and the original keywords from our question, now it's time to put those into action and actually create different topics or different phrases and apply those when it comes to our databases. So now that we have it, like I said, let's put it into action. We're going to use various search techniques that we've already been learning for this course, this actual module. So an example of a phrase searching would simply be college athletes. It's a simple phrase. You plug it into our database and we'll be able to get articles. Another one that we could use is a Boolean phrase, and how we would create a Boolean phrase is by applying college athletes and wages together. And a truncation would be just putting sponsor, so that we can get sponsorship, sponsoring, different words that are with sponsor, and see what kind of articles we get from there. And lastly, which I would like to apply, is nesting. It's college athletes and NACCAA, or college sports or student salaries. So that this way, by applying all of these different phrases and these different techniques, we can get various results and articles that we need to help support our original question, which in fact was, should college students take part in paid sponsorships? So that's how we would apply our keywords, and that's how we would find it using a research question. So just to wrap it up, after watching this segment, we were able to figure out how to select keywords from our research question, how to create an additional similar meaning for keywords, and also how to apply those terms by using different searching techniques. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Have a good one.